When programming your parts, automation can be of great benefit, minimizing the time it takes to get your components on your machines to maximize your investments. But in order to truly benefit from automation, the result must be both fast and reliable, which is why Autodesk PowerMill has received a series of improvements to its automatic collision avoidance algorithm. The first improvement is one of speed. When applying a corrective tool axis edit to a toolpath within a region such as a boundary, calculation times are reduced by as much as 98% when compared to the previous version. This time saved can be used to great effect to test more machining options, verify with checking or simulation, or simply to get the parts on the machine faster. What's more, automatic collision avoidance is now much more reliable. Previously, in some cases, collisions would have been detected, but a solution was not always available to avoid them. This could potentially leave unmachined stock as hazardous toolpath segments are removed, result in less desirable tool motion, or highlight unsafe colliding segments in red, all of which would require more attention from the programmer. This has now been greatly improved, increasing the probability of producing more successful collision avoidance results automatically, reducing the time and effort required for part programming. This improvement to automatic collision avoidance in PowerMill quickly produces safer, more predictable results, minimizing the need for manual intervention and providing more confidence in the automated decisions PowerMill makes for you.